Paramata Sundaram is the next level part of the language. So assume that basically near Earth planet, around 1,000 planets basically are moving, and that is the fixed number basically that is only going to move. So here 1% of the yes basically correct. So suddenly basically 1,001 number planet basically will enter in Earth planet. So 1% told that. Do you know basically 1,000 family basically they are the rich family basically. They only be gets the money. They only are the richer basically. They are only handling the entire Earth planet basically. So here 1% told that this is the basically concept basically, and this way basically the Earth planet is handling. So suddenly basically Jupiter crossed the Earth planet. That means basically suddenly it crossed basically. But one of the person told that the Earth planet person basically was knowing this basically, because they have created the Jupiter equal to that family basically member, so that basically whatever movement basically the Jupiter is going to do basically that can be tracked in advance. So one of the person told that one satellite group basically has created one rich family. So that satellite group say that basically we are basically forcing the planet basically. So that planet is going to move near to Earth planet, and the Earth planet is going to change the decision direction basically. That is long before basically decided. So that family basically was well prepared. According to the Jupiter cross, the Earth planet basically changed its direction, and that family basically was in advance basically prepared basically. So you can just imagine basically how the things basically are connected. So next video basically we are going to see.